we've made it to the special place. The one 400-year-old tree right in front of us.
It's 400 years old according to the local people who sell around it, promote around it. But so far I cannot find any information about it online.
First, like 100 years old, but it is pretty large. Well, and directly next to the tree is a little bit of water. I think they're hungry.
Yeah,
and it is a donation box for the food spa. So how about we put our feet in there and let them eat whatever they want to eat. Have a seat. You go first. I dare you.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I know you. So I just paid an environmental fee of 5 pesos each. I think that's very good, so that the local governments actually can keep, maintain and restore the area. Let's hope the money really goes to the right purposes. And we're on the way. That does look like it has some very nice small jumps. Unfortunately, you never know how deep the water is down there.
So you jump in or catch and fish, I'm not sure. It's beautiful, look at that. Another time saying goodbye to your place, this time San Juan and Siquijor. We are now off heading towards Boracay, but with a stopover overnight at Cambugahay. Let's go! So we've checked in again, this time with OceanJet, and we're waiting right now just for the boat to take off. Of course, one of the funny things again is you have a backpack, and if you have a travel backpack, I mean travel backpacks need to be checked in, which is just ridiculous.